Yo, hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, Israel the trader speaking, and I welcome each and every one of you to today's live stream, right? So today we are going to be doing weekly analysis. So I just have about 30 minutes here, guys. So we will see how far we can cover things, right, in these 30 minutes. So let me just share the links with our students so that they can come and join us, very important. All right, guys, I just share the links. So let's continue with today's analysis, right? Okay, so yeah, as we usually do, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, don't forget to just send it in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, can you analyze this particular pair for me and things like that, since we got about 30 minutes here. So we should be able to do one or two things, right? So that's one of the reasons why we are coming live and direct here today, guys. So it's very, very important for me to know if you guys are enjoying these live streams and things like that. So okay, so this was last week's trade anyway, but we are going to start with AUD pairs so that we can know exactly what is going to happen on AUD pairs, guys. It is very, very important, right? Because if you are a trader, it is also good for you to do your analysis each weekend, right? Today being Saturday, and it's good for you to do your analysis, learn backtest, and do a lot of things today and tomorrow, if you're not that busy, right? So after which you just wait for the market to open on Monday, on Sunday evening here, on Sunday evening, then you trade the market, right? But I don't actually like trading on Sundays, so I would like to just wait for the market to settle down, and on Mondays then I'll just trade a trade. Then that's just how I usually do, right? Okay, so with that being said, let's start the analysis, guys. Let's start it right away, right? So this is AUD card, by the way, and there's nothing much happening on AUD card. This is daily time frame. So like I said, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just send that in the live chat section and I will be able to see, right, as I'm checking all of these pairs. So yeah, on AUD JPY, I'm seeing something interesting here, guys, that we might see a reversal pattern coming soon on AUD JPY. So let me just put my major support and resistance on this daily time frame. So let's see what is going to happen, right? So this is my major support and resistance. Now I'll go down to the 4-hour time frame and see what's happening. So I'll just focus on this level, just focus on this 1 2 3, and also on this 4-hour time frame. I'm seeing that a trend line has been broken, and right now the market is ready to push back down to the downside, right? But before that, I still have to check one or two things, right, before I consider that the market is gonna continue to push down. So we have to mark out all of these structures. We have to mark out all of these structures, guys, in order for us to know. So I could have just marked this on this smaller time frame, being a 1 hour time frame, but it's all the same. Let's go down to 1 hour and see what's happening. Okay, so you guys can see now I'm just interested with whatever that is happening around this area. You can see we had a breakout and a retest on this level. So right now we are having some structures here, and if this is able to break out and continue to go back down to the downside, then definitely I will consider this as a move to the upside, right? You can see that we are having this structure, guys, that is yet to be brought to break. So let's see what is going to happen around this area. And of course, what I'm seeing right now is that the market will do something like this. Where's my arrow? Will come up like this before it's going to push back down to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on AUD JPY right now, and this is for like 300 pips, you know, so that's a lot of pips. That's what I'm seeing on AUD JPY, right? So Sion MMP is saying that, hey, hello, how you doing, bro? Hope you good. Just a quick reminder, guys, if today is the first time here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss out on our upcoming live streams, right? It is very, very important. And also share this video with your friends and family, and you know, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also follow us on our Telegram channel. It is very, very important, most especially this Telegram channel. That's where I actually update you guys about trade, about analysis, and everything. So you just go there and be part of the family, right? Okay, Emmanuel Monday is saying, hey, boss, yo, bro, how you doing, man? Thanks for what you do. Thank you very much as well. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your presence here, man. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important. That's how you can just support the team and support the channel in order for you to, you know, in order for us to do more of this. So it is very, very important, right? So just try and do that, and thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. All right, so this is what I'm seeing on USD, I mean AUD JPY. So this is, let me go down to V75 because I'm trying to check what's happening on V75 as well in order for me to trade it. So I'll come down to 4-hour time frame. Okay, guys, so all right, you guys remember I sold V75 earlier, right? Okay, so like we do, guys, if you have any particular pair, sorry, like we do, guys, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you just write it down in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it, and you know, I will try to do that and just tell you my opinion on what's happening and what's going to happen and things like that on that particular pair, right? So that's just what we are going to be doing, and let's see. All right, yo, let's get it. So let's go down to the next pair, guys, that we have, which is gonna be AUD USD. Okay, so you guys can see AUD USD last week, the analysis was respected, but it continued to push to the downside without stoppage, right? Without any stopping. So AUD USD pushed back down to the downside, guys. So you guys see what is happening right now without any retracement, right? Without any retracement. So you know, I did the analysis when we were doing live stream and things like that on this particular channel, which is YouTube, right? And of course, you know, what exactly is going to happen next is we are going to see this is going to come down to this point. After that, that's when we might see a reversal pattern being forming. Okay, that's for like 65 pips. So after that, that's when we're going to be seeing a reversal pattern coming to come up to the upside for another retracement or corrective move, right? So it's going to be for like 160 something pips. So it is very, very important for us to keep our eyes on everything, right? So it is very, very important. So yeah, Love Day Israel is saying, I always love what you do here, boss. Very happy weekend from your namesake. Thumbs up. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. So hope you guys are doing good, by the way. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, man. Thanks, bro. All right, so let's continue with the analysis, guys. like I said, so that's what is going to happen now, since the market broke out of this structure, which was around price 0.72897. So now the next target is going to be 0.71754. That's the price, so which is around this area. That's where the market will come down before it's going to reverse back up to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing on AUD USD right now. So we will try to see what exactly is going to happen on them as the market opens Sunday evening, right? So, but most importantly, we are just trying to do our analysis right now so that we can know what exactly is going to happen when the market opens. So let's go down to card pairs, which is this is card CHF right now. So there's nothing much happening, but I'm seeing card CHF. Let me go down to the daily time frame. Card CHF will come back down for yep, we'll come back down for a retracement. But let's see, you guys can see that we are having a perfect move here. Yep, we'll put it right there. There's another one here, another one here, and another one here. Then let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So we're gonna just focus on these three zones. Okay, let's adjust this like this. So we're going to just focus on these three areas, since this is what the market is doing, right? So we can take our fib retracement to check what exactly is happening on this. So you guys can see it will have to come down to this level, right? So expect this particular pair, being CAD CHF, to come back down to this level to complete this retracement. I'm coming, yep, to come down to this point before is gonna continue to push back up to the upside, right? If you guys remember how this market moves, so it's going to continue to go back up to the upside like that. So we're trying to see what exactly is going to happen when the market opens on CAD CHF. So CAD CHF right now, guys, is gonna come back down for a retracement to around price 0.74788 before it's gonna go back up to the upside, right? And your next target is gonna be around price 0.76187. That's where your target is gonna be on CAD CHF. So you know, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can just let me know and say, hey Israel, you know, can you explain this? I don't understand this, I don't understand that, and so on and so forth, right? So that's one of the reasons why we are doing this live stream right here on YouTube. And also, if you enjoy this live stream, just give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's how you can help us, and you know, just to motivate us to do more of this in order for you to be a profitable trader, right? So it is very, very important for you to do that, guys. And also, don't forget, you know, I just have like 30 minutes here to spend with you guys. So if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just do that by sending it in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it, right? Then I will do the analysis for you and tell you what is my opinion on that particular pair, right? So of course, this is CHF CHF right now broke out of the trend line. So this was our previous analysis, guys. So I gotta get rid of this, right? I gotta get rid of that. So now it broke out and boom, we retested. So now it's trying to push back down to the downside. So it's going to push back to the downside, guys. So let's see. So yeah, it's more of like what we are going to be experiencing when the market opens. We are going to be experiencing a lot of corrective moves, guys, meaning that we're going to be experiencing a lot of you know, retracement movement. So it is very, very important for us to know what exactly is happening when the market opens, right? Because all this corrective move or corrective movement, it actually affects the market or affect you as a trader if you don't know what you are doing, right? Because I don't actually like trading corrective moves. don't like doing that, but you can do that if that's what you are, you want and things like that. But me personally, I don't do that, guys. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is, you can also be checking what we refer as fundamentals, meaning that you can be checking news that will affect the market and things like that, and you can just go down to my FX book or Forex Factory, right? forexfactory.com or my fxbook.com. They actually do that. So today being Saturday, you guys can see that we don't actually have the market is not open. So tomorrow again the market is not open, then definitely you go down to just tomorrow, or you say next week or next tomorrow, depends. But let's say next week, you guys can see on Monday we're going to be having, okay, there's no news on that and stuff like that. So there's one news for euro. Now you can see, they'll list every news that is going to be happening on that particular day, so that you can just check it, analyze it and things like that, so you can just know what's going to happen and stuff like that, guys. So let's go down to the date in here, which is gonna be on Monday. You can see we have Bank of Canada Governor McLean speaks. So we're gonna be having this speech. So let's see, since this is gonna be a speech, so who will see how far this can move the market. Italian bank holiday for euro and things like that. So you just analyze all of this and know exactly what's going to happen on a particular pair, right? So that's how we do it, right? So Emmanuel Monday says that also let's analyze AUD card. For sure, I've done AUD card analysis already. I love the Israel is saying that, hey Israel, can you please analyze USD card for us? Yeah, exactly. I'll go down and analyze a USD card, but AUD card we've actually done the analysis earlier. So let's see what is going to happen, right? Okay, guys, so let me see, go down to AUD card. I've done the analysis on AUD card. Oh, I didn't do something like that. Let's see. Yeah, AUD card, there's nothing much is going to happen on AUD card, guys. But right now what I'm saying is AUD card had broken out of some structures, right? So let's see, we're having this and this. This is daily time frame, by the way. Let's go down to 4 hour. If you guys are familiar with how I trade, how I do my analysis and things like that, you should be able to know that, okay, I'm a price action and naked chart trader, right? What do I mean by that is I don't actually trade with indicators or anything like that in the market. So that's what I mean. Adjust that and leave this, right? So the next one here, we're having another zone right at this level. So this is going to be the 4 hour. So now let's see what is going to happen on this particular pair, being AUD card, right? So this is AUD card, guys. The next thing that I like to do is I like to do to put my trend line. You can see we're gonna have something like this to this point here. Yep, so you guys can see this is a trend line on this, and also I'm seeing another zone right here. This is another zone, guys. So I hope you guys are kind of understanding what I'm doing right now and things like that, right? Because it is very, very important for you to know what exactly I'm doing. So remember, this just comes for free, and it is, I just do this as like passion, or something that I'm just like that I just like doing and things like that, because I just do my analysis every Saturday and Sundays. So instead of me to just be doing it myself and doing it myself and just doing it alone and things like that. So I said, why not just come up live on YouTube and show some people how they can also do analysis and things like that, you know what I mean? So that's one of the reasons why I actually do this analysis. So this is what is gonna happen, guys. It will come down first before coming up, and boom, it's gonna come down to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on AUD card. So if I should enter this trade, I'm just going to be interested in selling right here. Then your stop loss is gonna be above this, maybe something like that. Then your take profit, you know, you can see 180 pips, right? That's going to be your final take profit. So you can just adjust your stop loss. Let it just be 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So that's it. And you know, if I should trade this particular pair, this is the setup that I'm going to be waiting for it to finish, to complete this setup, and boom, I'm going to sell it to the downside, right? Because this is a downtrending market right now. It's trying to push back down to the downside, guys. So this is what I'm seeing on AUD card. So I don't know if you have any question. That's Emmanuel Monday. So you have question. If you have it, you just tell me what your question is, and I'll be able to answer you right away. Also, guys, you know, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, and that's how you can show some love and support to the channel. You know, just support the content to encourage us to do more, you know. And also, you know, we are 22 minutes into this stream. Like I said, I just have about 30 minutes here. So you know, after you know, in about 8 minutes we're going to end this live stream, right? Okay, so since there's no question about AUD card analysis, somebody said that please do analysis on gold. Okay, I will try to do that. Hi Israel, can you please analyze USD card? I will do that as well. So gold and USD card, that's the analysis that I'm going to be doing next, right? So let me go down and do USD card first, then I will come back and do your gold analysis, right? So this is USD card, guys. Let me just remove this drawing, go down to the daily time frame and see what is going to happen, right? This is USD card. Okay, so you guys remember this is daily time frame, like I said. So let's start by putting our major support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? Okay, so there's nothing much happening on USD card right now. See some levels, so let's go down to 4-hour time frame and adjust some of the support and resistance, right? As you can see, you still have to adjust that, and no need to adjust that, but we have to add another support, but this is gonna be the 4-hour time frame. So you guys see this, right? So you can see a breakout and breakout. Let me adjust this. Yeah, adjust it to this point. It's kind of okay. So now USD card broke out of this. Yep, here is gonna be the best because of we need more touches possible in order for our support level to be valid, right? So now, guys, you know, USD card, I'm seeing that it's still gonna go back up to the upside. We have to see a little bit of retracement like this or like this to this point before it's gonna go back up to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing on USD card, and you know, that's gonna be for like 250 pips, guys. That's not a small move, you know. That's a lot of move, a lot and a lot of move. So let's just see what exactly is going to happen on USD card, because I'm seeing this level here. That's why I say it might come down to this point, right? There's another level there. So let me set this so you guys can see. This is this level. That's why I say to come down to this point, and before it's gonna go back up to the upside, right? And also in scenario like this, I usually use fib retracement and give me an idea of where I still need to mark out in case if I did not mark it completely, right? So you can see if it break out of that structure, the next support level is gonna be here before it's gonna go back up to the upside, right? That's what I'm seeing on USD card. So like I said, I just have about 4 minutes left now, so let's see how far we can go with this, right? So now let's go back down and analyze USD, gold, which is XAUUSD, right? And of course guys, if you have any question, you can just ask about it down in the live chat section. And also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up, very, very important. Just give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family so that they can come and join us as well. So V75 still making the moves. Let's analyze gold, which is XAUUSD. You guys remember my last analysis on gold, right? I say that since the market broke out of this, we are going to be seeing some retracement. Of course it did, and I say it's going to come down to the downside, right? I can't really remember which video is that, but I know that yeah, I made a video about this. If you guys remember, definitely. I think that was live on YouTube. Yeah, we were live on YouTube that day. Then I said that gold it was here. I said that it's going to push down to the downside, right? And of course, you see what happened on gold. Boom, pushing to the downside, right? So right now, my bias on gold, not for me to do another analysis, it will just come down to this point before we now see some sort of moves, either to go back up to the upside or to go down, to continue to go down to the downside, right? So, I don't actually know if you have any question about this, but basically I'm done with the analysis earlier, guys. I've done this analysis, I think a day ago, 2 days, something like that. I can't really remember, but I knew that we did this analysis on live stream when we were live streaming on YouTube and things like that. So that's the next thing, is just for it to complete this move before is either going to go back up to the upside or it breaks out of this, and the next target is going to be down somewhere here around price 1891.653. 1891.653 is going to be the next target in case if gold breaks out of 1917.449. So that's just what I'm seeing on gold right now. And it's very, very good for you to monitor your trade if you're actually trading any of these things, so that's one of the reasons why I say if you are a trader, you need to focus and you need to be checking what exactly is happening in the market as always. It is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So I'll just encourage you to do that, or to start doing that if you are not doing it, right? Very, very important for you to monitor your trade, be checking what is happening fundamentally, sentimentally, and technically, right? So it is very, very good for you to do that. Because though I've not traded gold in quite some while now, but I can know, or I can do the analysis for you. If you are interested in trading it, then I will tell you my opinion on what exactly is going to happen. And of course, you see that I say it's going to sell from here, go down to the downside, and boom, that's what happened. But right now, from where it is now, I'm seeing that gold is going to continue to go down to around price 1917.449. So that's my opinion on gold. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can just let me know right now. As it is at the moment, we just have about 3 minutes or 1 minute more. Yeah, we just have about 1 minute more in order for us to end this live stream, right? But most importantly, if you have any question, you can just let me know right now, and I will gladly answer your question before I exit out of this live streaming, right? So yeah, gold is going to continue to sell. AUD card is still the same thing, you know. It's going to come back up for retracement before it's going to go back down to the downside, and also which other analysis we did and stuff like that. So USD card here is going to come down for a retracement before it's going to continue to go to the upside as well and things like that. So you know, that's what I just have for you guys today. For those of you that tuned in to this live stream, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So you know, I'm still Israel the trader, and I'm signing out now, man. So yeah, once more again, we are going to be still doing the live stream, or you know, the weekly analysis tomorrow being Sunday. So that way we might have like 2 hour or 1 hour live stream, but today I just had a 30 minutes for you guys. So once more again, somebody is saying that V75, right? I don't actually have any more time, so this is V75 right now on the 4-hour time frame. But just to give you a quick overview of what is happening here, you go down to daily time. Remember, I just sold this and I took you know, so many. I think I took about $10,000 here. Yeah, I got about $10,000 as a profit anyway. So let me try to analyze this real quick so you can understand what exactly is gonna happen, right? So let's do this, guys. You guys can see what is happening. Where's my trend line? You can put your trend line this way, or you can put it all the way starting from the daily time frame, right? Excuse me. So now, since I closed my trade, what I'm seeing on this particular pair, this is what is going to happen, guys. It's going to come back up to this point before it's going to continue to push down to the downside like this. So it's going to completely break out of this trend line, and failure to do that, once it comes down here, it bounces off, or it's either it breaks out of this level here and continue to go back up to the upside. But once it reaches this particular trend line, like I said, since I closed my sell position on this particular pair being V75, definitely I'm expecting that is going to go back up to the upside, right? So let's see what happens, and you know, in the meantime, that's just it. And of course, if you want to be getting like premium signals, VIP signals and things like that, guys, just DM me via Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever. My Instagram account, my Telegram account, and my Facebook account, all links are down in the description below. You can just message me, and so we can talk and things like that. So it's very affordable. And if you want to join the community, ITT Premium, where I teach my students, you know, Sundays and Wednesdays via Zoom call, you can also join us and just send me a DM and just tell me which one you want to join, right? And I will explain to you and things like that. So once more again, thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. Still Israel the trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. Peace out to you, and happy weekend, man. Peace out, guys.